So you know those mornings when you wake up full of beans and you have this great idea and you just think, yeah, do you know what, that's what I'm going to do today. When you step into a new city and you have no idea where you are, what is the best way to find your way around the city? Well, today I'm going to show you. So every morning at 9 a.m. they do a free walking tour. Okay, we've had a little bit of a disaster. I looked these up online and I turned up at prime time, which was the first location that they say that they head for, just to find out that they're not running anymore. They stopped running a good few months ago. So there is a second one that leaves from the Royal Gardens. So I've just ordered another tuk-tuk and we're going to hair up there because it starts again at 9 a.m. So hopefully we're going to get up there. Otherwise, it's going to be a really short tour. Or maybe I'll just have to take you on one of my own. Maybe that's what I should do my own walking tour. What do you reckon? I wake up early, I get ready, I get myself a flask of water. I even put on my sun jacket, sunglasses. Off we go in the tuk-tuk. Can you tell today's going really well? So instead of going on a organised walking tour, you get me. This is the second location with no walking tour, or no walking tour that I can find. Although it does say contact them the night before. Did I contact them the night before? You know I didn't contact them the night before. I only had the idea last night. So the idea is I'll show you a few little places myself. We'll go on our own private walking tour. What do you reckon? So we're going to start off, seeing as we're here, at the Royal Gardens. So back in December 2025, a group of around 50 artists got together to do the Art for Peace. It's around 5 meters tall and 30 meters long. It was created by dozens of Cambodian artists in Siem Reap as a call for peace. Another interesting fact about this little area here by the gardens are the thousands of bats that live up in the trees. Just watch your step as you walk underneath. At certain times of the day, mainly in the morning, the gates are open for traffic to pass through. But most of the time they're closed, but you can always walk through and have a little look inside. The full name for the gardens is the Royal Crusade for Independence Gardens, but most people just call it the Royal Gardens. As you walk between these warriors, you're walking between peace, not power. This path has been watched over for generations. King Nordum Sunut and General Non Long planned Cambodia's independence from French colonial rule back in the 1950s. I think I found the tour group. Although from what I can hear, it's not actually in English. I didn't work out which language it was in, but It's definitely not in English, so you just got me, I'm afraid. As you're leaving the palace, there is a little shrine here where people give offerings and pray. I don't tend to hang around too long just there, just because I find it a little disrespectful. Although you do see quite a lot of tourists stood there and taking photos of people giving their offerings and praying. But we will head back through here towards the river. So what did you think of the gardens and the palace there? I really like it there. It is so peaceful, and across the roads where I'm sat just here, up to my left, there is some exercise equipment where you can go and use that at any time of the day or night. It does get very crowded around sort of 6 o'clock sunset, and they also do keep fit there as well. So it is a really good place to go and check out. But for right now, I need a coffee. Okay, I'm not getting too close, but there's a monkey sat over there. There's 2 monkeys sat over there. Let's see how brave I am. Oh gosh, he's going to feed the monkey. Really not a good plan. Uh-oh. Oh, monkey's got it. Right. Now he's got something in his mouth apart from me. I'm going to walk on by. He's just got to open his snack to be able to get it. I'm not quite sure what it is. There's the little one there watching. I'm always a little bit wary of monkeys. And look, he's going to come and say, thanks very much, but can you open it for me, mate? Oh no, he's got it. He's having, bless him, he's having a sniff. What's he giving me? Suddenly realised that he's a superstar and everyone's got their cameras out. Bless him. Look at him tasting it. It's like, do I really want this? It's not fruit. It's not a banana. No. The monkey, he says no. Oh, bless him. I think the guy went over and bought that special for the monkey, and he's like not having an absolute bar of it. Oh dear. I'm trying to remember how much further down this road the coffee shop is, because I am parched. Although the sidewalks, pavements, they all of a sudden have a tree growing right out the middle of them. So I've stopped off at the Motor Cafe. I had a iced cappuccino and it was $1.50. See, this is something that I couldn't do in the UK because going out for a coffee is just way too expensive. Let me know down in the description where you're watching from and how much you pay for a iced cappuccino or a hot cappuccino, whatever it is that you can get where you are. Just because I'm nosy and I like to know these things. I'm not quite sure what the panda's up to, but I think he's running away with the scooter. coffee break over, back on the road. So I thought that I would take you down to Wat Bo Temple. I'm sure I've brought you there before. Wat Bo is a Buddhist temple and one of the oldest in the city of Siem Reap. It dates back to the 18th century. Wat Bo is a living monastery and monks live, pray and study here.
It is the kind of thing that you have never seen before.
Oh, lovely. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Go inside.
Kinom Ruanao Siem Reap Ram by Kai.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I hope that I said that correctly.
Okay, you speak correctly. Maybe like you lived, you have lived in Siem Reap for 18 months.
Yes. My Khmer is not very good. I only know tuk-tuk.
Never think like that. We learn other language. We always think like this, but no thinking like this. It's a very kind of communication to learn other language. But
Yeah.
no way. I myself as well, when I learn English at the first time, I always think that my English is very crocodile and very ugly, that I cannot speak to global friends. But now I can speak a little bit.
Oh, your English is amazing. It really is. Oh my goodness. He was absolutely lovely. We sat and chatted for quite a long time. He liked to practice his English speaking with me. So we sat and chatted for a while. And I tried to speak a little bit in Khmer, but as you know, my Khmer language is pitiful. Oh, it is now really hot. And I have also just realised that all I've had to eat or drink today is that iced coffee that I had at the motor cafe. So I think really and truly, I'm going to have to leave my walking tour here, which I was not really expecting to do when I came out today. I was expecting to join into a walking tour, not do one myself. So if you like this, let me know in the description, and what I will do is I'll find some other places and we can do a bit of a walking tour together. What do you reckon? Let me know if there's any areas around town that you'd like me to concentrate on. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one. And let's go for a little wander around the temple before I go.